Are you tired of not knowing who changed your Salesforce data and when? Learn to set up field history tracking in under 3 minutes. We'll start by accessing Setup, then enable tracking on the account object, and finally select the fields to monitor. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right to open Quick Settings. Then click Open Advanced Setup to dive into the full Setup menu. Now, click on Object Manager to see all your objects. Find and click on the Label column for Account. We'll use that for this example. From the left sidebar, click on Fields and Relationships. Then, at the upper right, click Set History Tracking to enable tracking. Now, check the box to track old and new values for parent account. Then also check Rating. And finally, check Phone. Once you've selected all the fields, click Save to apply the changes. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.